Hello everyone. My name is Cam, and I'm 100% Haitian, born and raised in Haiti. A message for my Kenyan brothers who want to come to Haiti, uh, trying to fight the gangs or whatever their gold is. Let me tell you something. You are making a big mistake. Whoever told you that you could come to Haiti and help fight gangs, help solve what's going on right now, help find a solution to the political, to the economic, everything is going to the wrong direction right now. Everything is a mess right now. And it's been a mess for years. I think you guys are smart, right? I wouldn't think that those that are coming, they think, I wouldn't say they like don't know what they're doing. I'm sure they know where they're coming. They know what could happen. They know the situation. I'm sure that you do your research and you see what's going on in Haiti. And the government who requested in like a foreign intervention in this mess that is in Haiti right now, you need to know that the government itself is the protector, okay, of the gangs. Those guys, this current government is being in power for 36 years. In 36 years, I'm not 36 years, I meant to say 36 months. In that 36 months, nothing, absolutely nothing have been done to help the people, to help the population. Instead of trying to solve what's going on in Haiti, the government, they coexist with the gangs. They make the gangs feel comfortable. That's why they run the streets. They can just kidnap somebody from one end of the city to another end of the city of town, and they won't get stopped by police. If you think you guys from Kenya you're gonna come and solve anything, guys, you're mistaken. You're making a big mistake, and it could cost you. It will cost you actually. It will cost you your life. And guys, I love you guys. You guys are brothers and sisters to me. And we are from Africa, and we have nothing against Kenyans. But guys, this situation right now in Haiti, you don't want to get caught in this mess. Let me tell you something. The population, us Haitian, we are in revolution mode right now. Okay, we are in revolution mode. Okay, the country right now is in revolution mode, and everywhere you go, everything is that is being discussed is revolution. And I'm pretty sure you're from Africa, you know what is a revolution. Anything can happen. And you guys, you are foreign people, you don't want to come here and thinking that the Haitians, you're gonna be welcome. Okay, you're not gonna be welcome. Okay, you're not welcome. We love you, but you're not welcome in this mess. This fight is not your fight. Okay, let us fight our fight. Okay, let us do our thing. Okay, and you can sit over there, watch, and pray for the best. Don't come to this mess. Okay, like I said, this government who invited you to come to Haiti, okay? In this moment, they are the they are the backbone of the gangs. They feed them, okay? They protect them. They give them guns. They give ammunition, okay? You don't want to come here. You don't want to come to Haiti and thinking that you're gonna do anything to help, okay? Your help won't be felt, okay, in the field, in the battlefield. Right now, Haiti is a battlefield, okay? And we don't want your help at this point. Right now, you stay over there and watch, pray for us, okay? Pray for the population. Pray for the 11 million Haitians that are living day to day and not knowing if they will see tomorrow, okay? Pray for the Haitians that are living day to day, thinking anytime like a flying bullet can hit them in the head. Pray for the Haitians that are living day to day, not knowing if their sons, if their daughters will have a chance to live to see tomorrow. We don't have any hope over there. Our only hope is a revolution, a total revolution, and reverse whatever is going on right now. We need a new system. This system is the protector of the gangs. Everybody who's in power right now, they don't give a damn about a Haitian being hit by a bullet. They don't give a damn about Haitian not being able to pay for schools. They don't give a damn about Haitians don't have money to send their kids to school. They don't care. For 36 months, they've been in power. Ask any Haitian. You go in Haiti and ask anybody, what has this government done to help the population who's suffering? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So this is a warning, guys. You're coming. I heard you're coming. But let me tell you, you won't be welcome. This situation in Haiti is not gonna be fun. Okay? What's coming is not gonna be fun. I think you better stay over there and watch instead of like being in the middle of this mess. Okay? It's a warning. I love you guys, but please don't come here. Don't come to Haiti thinking that things are gonna be thinking that you might be able to help. Whoever give you whoever told you that you could come and help, you shouldn't believe them. Okay? You shouldn't believe them. You stay over there and watch, pray for us. Okay? If we need you when things like totally turn around, if we need you, we'll reach out to you and we'll tell you what we need. Okay? Right now, you stay over there. Okay? It's a brotherly message, okay? To you guys, don't come. I hope you get this message. I hope this message find its way to you guys, to your ears, and hear me out, okay? Bye-bye.